Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gon' cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me.
How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you?
It's just a 10.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It's a little 20.
How much you got on you?
It's just a 30.
How much you got on you?
I blow the 40.
How much you got on you?
I made it 50.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It turned it to 60.
How much you got on you?
Then I spent the 70.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It came back with 80.
Hey, how much you got on
I
you?
came with a whole
Hey, how much you got on you?
bitch, I got a lot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
Bitch, y'all wanna fuck me
Hey,
now.
how much you got on you?
She say I'm hot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
I got a lot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
Yeah, this a lot.
I got a lot on me,
I got a lot on me.
but that ain't a lot of me.
That ain't a lot to me.
Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, beautiful people? So welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on in the 2015 Chevy Caprice. Big thanks to the homie Juan for letting me get the steering wheel up off him. So we're gonna be pulling this one off. Make sure you disconnect your battery and do everything you're supposed to do. So I just got to do an oil change. Got the ground's disconnected, so we'll get into this thing. So pretty much what you're gonna need is one of these. So you're gonna take an Allen key, take the long side. So them holes right here, clip on the back side of the steering wheel. So you're pretty much gonna stick it in and pretty much decompress them. Got to feel around till you feel it, and then you're gonna push over on it. So battery steering wheel is in. You're gonna try to get to this side, and then you're gonna pretty much pry it, and it's gonna slip. It's gonna pop out. So you do that. Airbag comes out, and then let me get my Torx. It's a T50, I think. Pop that off. And make sure you don't rotate the steering wheel like it's up. It has to be upside down when you do it. It has to, in order for you to get those two. Like I said, you're gonna disconnect the airbag. Your ground is disconnected. Pull it out, and then set it to the side for now. So come back to you. Then what you're gonna do next, pull up on these. And then these little orange clips right here, they gotta pull up. So they'll pop out and it's pretty much pull out the airbag, and then the airbag come out. Airbag's over there. So now you gotta get the Torx, pop that off, and then continue on. And just like that, the steering wheel is out. Make sure this clock spring does not move. Like, keep it as it is, do not spin it or anything. So next, I'm gonna get it on. It was easy. Like I said, use a T50. I use my impact. I'll show y'all. So like I said, where's she at? T50. I use my impact. You can use a ratchet. I don't care what you use. You can use whatever you want, but I used the T50. So that's out. Get a new one on. And it slipped off pretty easy, so once you get that nut off, then it'll start coming off. So there's that. So it's gonna slide this new one on. Before you put that bolt back on, make sure you put some thread locker on it. So they had blue on here originally, so make sure you put some blue on there and then put it back in. And just like that, everything's in, fully secured. So what that took, no time at all. Like, I was say between 15-20 minutes to get it in. So big thanks to the homie Juan for hooking me up with this. And yeah, like always, till next time, keep macking. Peace.